Hi, I'm just doing some work on this Carpinus orientalis. When it came in from Croatia, it had some big cuts and I've just been tidying them up. There's a few that you can see here. But what I want to show you today really is the Mojo table, which I designed last year and has been selling well around the world. I'm very pleased about that. But I don't think most people quite understand the benefits of a table such as this. It can be packed away flat. That's amazing if you actually don't have much space. One of the problems you have with existing tables is if they're made up from something like a hairdresser's chair, then you know they're quite a large thing and difficult to store. So this actually folds flat and can go in a cupboard. The other great thing, of course, is it's free movement. Now I know the others have free movement, but what the others don't have is don't have the ability to tilt. Now, I'm not going to tilt this because this is a very heavy tree and I'm actually working on it now, but here's a photo you can see of how the actual mechanism works and tilts. Perhaps the biggest feature of this is the fact that it can go very, very high. In fact, we actually have an extension tube now that will raise it up, this table base, up to 1.4 meters, which is fantastic if you're working on a cascade tree, or particularly if you're working on shohin. Because the benefit of that, of course, is that you're actually styling the tree at the level that it's going to be exhibited at, and I think that's very important. The other nice thing about this is it actually has, it's not just free movement, it actually has a stop mechanism, which locates it and stops it moving. Which is important because you don't want this thing spinning around when you've got a Makita like this in your hand. So there's the Mojo table. It's available to order online at mojobonsai.com. So less of the talking and more of actually getting back to work. So I'll see you next time on my YouTube channel.